WhatsApp Pay is set to go live as early as by the end of this month. The payment services by the instant messaging app, which is currently under beta testing, is said to be launched initially in partnership with 3 private banks, and those 3 private banks are Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank. However, it is also said that this will add State Bank of India as well at the later stage. At present, WhatsApp Pay allows transactions based on unified payment interface via ICICI Bank. And if we talk about Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and SBI, these all 4 banks are said to be in the process of integrating with WhatsApp. And this is the report coming from moneycontrol.com. However, the messaging app owned by Facebook is said to begin the public rollout of its payment services in the country with the 3 former private lenders. And there are also reports coming that the reason behind the delay in bringing SBI on board is mainly due to the requirement of a robust security architecture that should be in compliance with regulatory guidelines. National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI) recently made it mandatory for large digital platforms offering UPI-based payment services to opt for a multi-bank model to avoid any delay in transactions. That's why Facebook and WhatsApp are going to use multi-bank model. Such a model is also helpful in case one bank is facing issues in allowing payments. The drawbacks of using a single bank model were seen during the moratorium of Yes Bank earlier this year that halted operations of platforms such as PhonePe and Swiggy for some time. Google Pay and Truecaller are amongst the major platforms allowing multi-transactions via multiple banks at the present stage. Interestingly, Google Pay already has Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI, and SBI as the 4 acquiring banks to enable UPI-based transactions.